Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best ginger juicers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. The Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine is the perfect solution for anyone looking to add more fresh fruits and vegetables to their diet. With its large 3-inch feed chute, this juicer can accommodate whole fruits and vegetables, reducing the need for pre-cutting and saving you time in the kitchen. This juicer features a powerful 800W motor that quickly and efficiently extracts juice from your produce, leaving behind a dry pulp. The centrifugal extractor design ensures that you get the maximum amount of juice from each fruit and vegetable, while the Bpa Free Construction ensures that your juice is safe to drink. Cleaning up after juicing is a breeze with this machine, thanks to its easy-to-clean design. Simply rinse the parts under running water and you're done. The compact size of this juicer makes it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or dorm rooms, while the black finish gives it a sleek and stylish appearance that will complement any kitchen decor. So if you're looking for a convenient and easy-to-use juicer that can help you add more fresh fruits and vegetables to your diet, look no further than the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. With its large feed chute, powerful motor, and easy-to-clean design, this juicer is the perfect appliance for anyone looking to enjoy the health benefits of fresh, homemade juice. Number 2. Our second best pick is KOIOS Juicer, Slow Masticating Juicer Extractor. The KOIOS Juicer is the perfect appliance for anyone looking to incorporate more healthy and fresh juices into their diet. Its slow masticating process provides a high yield of juice with minimal oxidation, preserving the nutrients and flavors of your fruits and vegetables. The reverse function ensures that clogging is prevented, making your juicing experience much smoother and more efficient. This juicer is equipped with a quiet motor that makes it easy to use at any time of the day without disturbing others. The juice jug and brush that come included make it easy to clean and prepare your juices. In addition to its functionality, the KOIOS juicer also boasts a sleek and stylish design, making it a great addition to any kitchen. With its compact size, it can be easily stored away when not in use. The white and black color scheme is both classic and modern, ensuring that it will fit in with any kitchen decor. Overall, the KOIOS juicer is a must-have for anyone who wants to live a healthier and more nutritious life. Its combination of performance, ease of use, and beautiful design make it the perfect choice for anyone looking for a high-quality juicer. Number 3. Our third best pick is Breville Juice Fountain Plus Juicer. The Breville Juice Fountain Plus Juicer is the perfect kitchen appliance for anyone looking to add a healthy boost to their daily routine. With its powerful 800W motor, this juicer is capable of extracting maximum nutrients and vitamins from fruits and vegetables, making it a must-have for health-conscious individuals. The juicer features a large 3-inch feed chute, allowing you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without the need for pre-cutting. This not only saves time but also reduces food waste. The juicer's brushed stainless steel design not only looks great on your countertop, but is also easy to clean. The JE98XL model comes with a 1-liter juice jug and a froth separator, allowing you to create delicious and nutritious juices with minimal fuss. The juicer also operates quietly, making it a great addition to your morning routine without disturbing others. With its ease of use, powerful performance, and stylish design, the Breville Juice Fountain Plus Juicer is a must-have for anyone looking to lead a healthier lifestyle. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Mueller Juicer Ultra Power. The Mueller Juicer Ultra Power is a top-of-the-line juicer that is designed for those who are looking for a powerful and efficient machine to help them with their daily fruit and vegetable needs. This juicer features a wide 3-inch feed chute that can accommodate whole fruits and vegetables, eliminating the need to cut them into small pieces beforehand. The centrifugal extractor system is designed to extract the maximum amount of juice from your produce, while the anti-drip spout ensures that your countertops remain clean and mess-free. The stainless steel construction of the Mueller Juicer Ultra Power ensures durability and longevity, making it the perfect investment for your home kitchen. With 800 watts of power, this machine can handle even the toughest of ingredients, and the easy clean design makes maintenance a breeze. So if you're looking for a high-quality juicer that will meet your daily juice needs, the Mueller Juicer Ultra Power is an excellent choice. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Slow Juicer, KOIOS Slow Masticating Juicer. The KOIOS Slow Juicer is the perfect kitchen accessory for anyone looking to live a healthier lifestyle. With its unique masticating technology, the juicer is able to extract more juice and nutrients from fruits and vegetables while preserving the integrity of their taste and nutrients. The reverse function makes it easy to dislodge any stuck produce, while the quiet motor operates at a low noise level, making it suitable for use at any time of day. With a large feeding chute of 3 inches, the juicer can easily accommodate whole fruits and vegetables, reducing the need for pre-cutting and saving time. The high juice yield, combined with the anti-drip spout, ensures that not a drop of juice is wasted. Cleanup is also a breeze with the included juice jug and brush for cleaning. The KOIOS Slow Juicer is made from high-quality materials and comes in a stylish red color. Whether you're an experienced juicer or just starting out, the KOIOS Slow Juicer is the perfect addition to any kitchen. So why wait? Start enjoying delicious, healthy, and nutritious juice today. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.